Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up email reminders to others on Outlook. This is a fantastic way to ensure important tasks and meetings don't slip through the cracks, both for yourself and your team members. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the full range of Outlook's features. Wait a moment for everything to sync properly, especially if you have a lot of emails or a slower connection. Once your email has been loaded and you can see your inbox, we're ready to start setting up those reminders. Look toward the top part of your screen where you'll find your main tools and menus. You should see a tab labeled Home. Click on Home to access the primary menu options that Outlook offers for managing your communications and calendar. From the Home menu, direct your attention to the top ribbon where various options are displayed. Look for a button that says New Items and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices for creating different types of content in Outlook. From these added options, click on Appointment. This action will open a new appointment window, which is the key to setting up your email reminders. The appointment window is where you'll configure all the details for your reminder. You'll see several fields that you need to fill out. Start by entering the subject of your reminder, the location if applicable, and most importantly, the date and time when you want this reminder to trigger. Take your time filling out these fields accurately, as this information determines when and how your reminder will activate. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, it's time to set the actual reminder interval. Look for the reminder drop-down menu within the appointment window. Click on it and you'll see various time variations that you can choose from. These options typically range from a few minutes before the appointment to several days in advance. Simply choose the interval that works best for your needs. This tells Outlook exactly when to alert you or others about the upcoming event. After selecting your preferred reminder interval, you'll want to save everything you've just configured. Click on the File menu at the top of the appointment window, and from there, click on Save. This finalizes your reminder setup and ensures that Outlook will notify the intended recipients at the time you've specified. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up email reminders in Outlook, making it much easier to stay on top of important tasks and help others do the same. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.